Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create backlit text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, the artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to Rubik Bold. Then change its case to upper. And apply the gray color to it. Now, go to the Effect menu, 3D and Materials, then Extrude and Bevel. Click on the Plane section, and set the isometric right in the presets. Then click on Lighting. And uncheck the ambient light, and turn on the shadows. Change the position to below object. Follow my other settings. When it's done, click on the Render button. Double-click on it, and you can edit the text. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.